We want to fix the timing now. This one, this point we face straight. This point we face straight. This arrow, you are seeing arrow here. You are seeing arrow here. This point we face there. Look at it. Look at it. This point and this point, they will face together. Come to this side. This point. Now look at the difference between this mark and this mark. Are you seeing the difference? This mark is shorter, while this one is longer. Now this and this mark and this point we face together. As you can see, they are facing themselves. You can see now, we are putting the chain. This is chain damper. You want to face the chain damper now. This one is called chain damper. But before we have finished putting the chain, both the chain damper. Here is the timing. This mark we face with these points here. This mark we face with this point here. This one is in length. It will face like this. Now coming to the camshaft of it, see where the camshaft is facing. This is inlet camshaft. This is inlet facing down. Number 1 must face down, while number 4 will face in. Are you seeing it? Now look at this one, exhaust. This is the number 1 camshaft of exhaust. It's facing right. It's facing right. As you can see, this and this one face like this one face like this. Yeah, that is the timing of 2AZ engine.